Hi, my name is Ms. Vazquez, and I'm going to be your business teacher. I was born and raised in Puerto Rico. I have two kids, and my background is in accounting. I have 20 years experience in the accounting field. I am going into my fifth year as a teacher. So what is going to be our class about? So this class is called Computer Applications in Business, but it's not a computer class, it is a business class. The only thing is that we learn all that we need to learn about business through the use of computers, therefore the name. So in my class, if we are going through materials, we don't need any additional supplies, maybe some earbuds, but that's about it. Because in our class, we are going to do everything in the class in the computer. It's going to be saved in the computer. So I don't need any paper, any notebooks, any pencil, anything at all. We are going to be saving everything in the computer. We are going to be using Teams, maybe Canvas, and we have an additional software which is called AES Education, in which you create your login and all your work and your grades are also going to be there. How are you going to be graded? We have home classwork, which we do every single day. We have quizzes, and at the end of every unit, we have a sort of project which encompasses what we have been doing for those 9 weeks. What is this class about? It doesn't matter if you're taking 1, 2, or 3. So the level is going to be different, but all of them, we are going to be learning about how do we go into the workplace. How do we properly dress for an interview? How do we speak when we are into an interview? How do we behave when we are in the workplace? Remember, it doesn't matter which type of work you decide to go into. There are some etiquette that you need to follow, which encompasses all of them, okay? We are going to be doing research for your future career, because you remember that it's not only the money that we need to take in consideration when we go into our future career. It has to be something that we want, that we are passionate about, and that we are we are able to follow all the guidelines that career needs. Like, do we need to go to college, or can we take certificates? Okay, so we are going to do research about all of that. We are going to be learning how to prepare resumes. Okay, that's what the class is about. It's all about business, but not directly business. It's all about how do we prepare ourselves to our future world after we get out of high school. What do we expect out of life? What do we want our life to be? Career based. Okay, not only college but also careers. We have 3 certifications in this class. The class certifications are called IC3 certifications. These give you credentials that you can use in your life. These are credentials that you can add to your resume. They tell your future employers that you are computer literate. What does it mean? We got key applications. It tells your employers that you have the basic knowledge in the Microsoft Office suite. We got computing fundamentals. It tells employer that you have the basic knowledge of our computer. How do we print documents? How do we save information in the computer? How do we find it in the computer? And then we have living online. Living online tells your employer that you are internet literate, networking literate, on the basic knowledge of that. So those are the 3 tests that we have to prepare for and we have to take. So what are my expectations from you? Remember, we are going to be using our computers. It doesn't matter if you're digital or face-to-face. The class is going to be held exactly the same. So we are always in the computer. You have to be very mindful that we are using computer for only academics. So you have to be careful what you search for. You have to be careful what you use it for. Okay, we are not using it for any other thing that from academics. I'm hoping that we're going to have a great year. It is a different year for everyone, but we are going to do the best that we can. We are going to prepare ourselves. We are going to be safe. Everyone, we need to stay in our places. We need to be very mindful what we do from now on. I welcome you to this 2021 year. I hope we're going to have a great year and can't wait to see you. Bye.